By this, the child improves concentration, improves speed.
This meeting is being recorded.
After this session, you won't get confused. Okay? Okay, 6:30. Okay. No problem. No problem. We all learn from mistakes. 6:32. Okay. 5:32. Okay. We got more majority as 5:32. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. All from 9, last from 10. That also a technique, but I'll tell you more effective than that. Okay. 6:32 again. Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice. You children are so active. 5:68. Okay. Done. All completed? Giving your answers? Shall we go to find out the correct answer? What it is? Okay. If I teach you something interesting without borrowing, will you get surprised? And you feel how simple mathematics is. Okay, let's try. Thousand minus 468 is your question, right? Now, actually, if I take a borrow and then 10 becomes 9, 9 will be there. Sometimes it becomes 10. I get confused. So I follow this method. What I'll do is I'll subtract 1 from top number and bottom number. Okay. Let's see. 1000 becomes 999. Right? Are you all with me? Done. 468. That will be 467. Right? So we have subtracted minus 1. We did not change the distance or difference between them. Okay? Subtraction is nothing but finding out the difference. Okay? Now see, 9 minus 7. is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 9 minus 4 is 5. How simply we got the answer? Who feels it as simple and like this technique, please chat me in chat box. Wow, Komal has me, Neela. Yes, yes. When I first know about this technique, I was really surprised. Yes, same feeling of mine. Yeah, super. Yeah, nice to see your messages. Super. Yeah. Can we go and see other sums? Those who has raised their hands, definitely you will get a chance at questions, queries, Q&A. Okay, please be patient. I'll attend all the questions, whatever you have at the end of the session. Thank you. Now, I ask you to subtract 589 from 6000. I'm waiting for your answers. Okay. 411. Please check, Raghav. Please check. 5410. Okay. Please check. 11 part. Okay. 5411. Okay. 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 5411 is more flow. And I saw 15410 in middle. Okay. Nice. Nice interaction class. Hmm. 5419 also we got. Okay, let's see. Are you all using the technique what I said, like subtracting 1? And do you have any doubt like what I mean is why are we subtracting -1? Did anyone analyzed the way? Why so? I'll tell you that after this sum. Okay. When we subtract 1 from 6000, we'll get 5999. Okay. Then when we subtract 589, 588, right? Is it easy now to subtract from bigger number to smaller number? 1, 9 minus 8, again 1, 9 minus 5 is 4 and 5. Do you have any confusions? Any begging and borrowings here? No, right? Yes. That's the magic subtraction. The name itself, it is mentioned as magic. No borrowing, nothing doing. Okay. Now let's see one more sum which surprise you and give a new way of taking this magic subtraction technique. Okay, let's see. Suppose it is 432 minus 99. Do you subtract 1 from this? Don't do that. Then it will be complicated. Okay. Down number is 99. Why we have subtracted 1 here is the concept is always we make the top number to be in big digit and the bottom number to be in small. Okay. That is the concept behind this. In the same way, when we want this number to be the highest and this to be lowest, what can we do? Yeah, 333 is correct, but what is the method you used? That matters here. What is the method you used? Anyone? Yes, someone has answered it. We add +1 here. +1 is the technique we use here, like 432, when we add 1, it becomes 433. 99, when we add 1 to it, it becomes 100. Now, is it easy to solve the solution? 433 minus 100. 3 minus 0, 3. 3 minus 0, 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. Shall we do one more example? Just make a note of these sums in your book so that after a few days you can just go back and revise the things. Very good, Navansh. Very good. That is called mental maths. Without putting your pen on book or paper, solving a problem or doing a calculation is called mental maths. Once we improve it, our brain starts calculating in patterns. This is what we do here. By seeing the question, we are trying to give the solution. Someone is asking, I did not understand. I'll teach you once again. Okay? Done. Shrestha, I'll be teaching you once again. I'll repeat it. Okay? I'll tell you once again. Okay? If it is 100 minus, I'll take a small number and explain. Okay? 23. Okay? See here 0. 0 minus 3. See, from 0 can be removed from 3? We can't remove. So it will go here and it will borrow 1. So 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 3 is 7, right? Then here 9 will be there because 1 we have given to this 0. So 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, this is your school method. What I just teach is 100 minus 23. I'll subtract 1 from top number and 1 from bottom number. Okay, 100 becomes 99. Making numbers to our comfort. That's all. Okay, 23 becomes 22. And if you subtract now, it will be easy. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 2 is again 7. Now, did you understand, Shrestha? And someone who has joined from Samsung, they also requested, I did not understand, please explain. This is the pattern we are doing. I'm waiting for Shrestha, whether she understand or not. If not, I can explain to the level she can understand better. No worries. In future, you will get more numbers. Now you may be doing 2-digit numbers or till 99. In future, you can go and solve the sums in a greater value numbers. Okay? Tanisha, still you can't understand? Misunderstood. What is this misunderstood? I can't understand. Okay. I did not understand multiplication. Let us see. Multiplication I did not yet explain. Okay. Let us see. We'll go to multiplication. Okay. We are still in subtraction. The technique number 1, magic subtraction we are learning. Okay. Let's see. Okay. And I would like to explain one more thing. To think in patterns. Okay. How can a number can be made to our comfort. Okay. In subtraction itself. Suppose the number is 2001 minus 778. Will you do -1 technique here? adding 1 and subtracting 1 is nothing but making numbers to our comfort. When the top number is in big digits, it will be easy for us to subtract from big numbers to small numbers. That's what the reason we are making the numbers into our comfort without skipping, begging, borrowing that trauma. Let us see. Here we are subtracting minus 2 because the top number is 2001. The number to be in big level be minus 2. So we'll get 1999. When we minus 2 from 778, we'll get 776. Then it will become easy for us to subtract. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2 and 1 here. Without confusion, we can do subtraction without skipping, borrowing. If you are not able to understand, please mention I am this standard. I mean, I would like to know which grade you are. I would like to give a clarity because I can tell -1 and stop the technique, but it creates some confusion to some people. Whatever you learn, you should learn perfectly. This is my intention. Shall we go to other technique? Once you're done, please give a thumbs up so that I can switch to other technique. Good, good. Okay, okay.